Imagine this. Your heart pumps tirelessly, pushing blood through more than 60,000 miles of arteries, veins, and capillaries in your body. But what if those blood vessels start narrowing, stiffening, or weakening? The result: poor circulation, fatigue, cold hands and feet, and even a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. The good news: you can restore and protect your circulation with something simple yet powerful: vitamins. Yes, the right combination of nutrients can strengthen your arteries, improve blood flow, and give your cardiovascular system new life. Welcome to Golden Health Tips, where science meets natural wellness. In this video, we'll explore the top vitamins for circulation and healthy blood vessels, backed by real medical research. Stay till the end, because tip number 7 could be the key to transforming your energy and heart health forever. Let's start with a quick reminder. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a life-changing health update. Now, let's dive into your body's natural fuel for better blood flow. Have you ever felt your hands or feet going cold, even in mild weather? That's often your body telling you your circulation isn't optimal. When blood flow weakens, oxygen delivery to tissues decreases, and your body's healing slows down. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure, varicose veins, and even cardiovascular complications. But vitamins, those microscopic powerhouses, can reverse much of that damage when taken consistently. Let's start with one of the biggest heroes, vitamin C. It's not just for your immune system. Vitamin C is critical for collagen production, which keeps your arteries flexible and strong. It also fights oxidative stress that causes blood vessel damage. Studies show people with higher vitamin C levels have lower risk of arterial stiffness and better endothelial function. You can get it from citrus fruits, bell peppers, kiwi, and even guava, one of the richest sources in the world. Next, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, plays a direct role in blood vessel health. Research has shown that vitamin D deficiency is strongly linked with high blood pressure, poor circulation, and heart disease. It helps regulate calcium in your blood and prevents your arteries from hardening. Spending 20 minutes in sunlight each day, or including fatty fish like salmon, can naturally improve vitamin D levels. Then we have vitamin E, one of the most powerful antioxidants for cardiovascular protection. Vitamin E prevents blood clots, protects artery walls, and keeps your blood flowing freely. It reduces inflammation in your circulatory system and improves red blood cell function. You'll find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados, foods that nourish your heart inside out. Another overlooked vitamin is vitamin K2, often called the artery protector. While K1 helps with blood clotting, K2 ensures calcium goes to your bones, not your arteries. Without K2, calcium builds up inside blood vessels, causing stiffness and increasing the risk of heart attacks. Fermented foods like natto, egg yolks, and grass-fed butter are excellent natural sources. But we can't forget the BICM-plex vitamins, especially B6, B9 folate, and B12. These three help reduce homocysteine, an amino acid that damages arteries when it builds up in your blood. Lowering homocysteine means better circulation, reduced inflammation, and a stronger heart. Leafy greens, lentils, eggs, and fortified cereals are some of the best sources. Here's a lesser known but powerful nutrient: CoQ10, coenzyme Q10. Technically not a vitamin, but it behaves like one. CoQ10 supports energy production in your cells and improves oxygen delivery. People with hypertension often have low levels of CoQ10, and studies show supplementing it can significantly improve arterial flexibility. It's found in sardines, beef liver, and peanuts, or available as a supplement. Now, let's talk about the problem. Modern diets and lifestyle habits have made these essential nutrients rare. Processed foods, lack of sunlight, and chronic stress all drain your vitamin reserves, weakening circulation over time. Symptoms like tiredness, dizziness, numb fingers, and cold extremities are all red flags that your circulatory system needs attention. The solution lies in restoring these vitamins through diet and, if needed, high-quality supplements. A balanced mix of the vitamins we mentioned can help dilate your arteries, reduce plaque formation, and support healthy oxygen transport throughout your body. You don't need to rely on artificial fixes or expensive treatments. Your body can heal naturally when given the right nutrients. Here's a practical remedy plan. You can start today. In the morning, take a glass of warm water with lemon to boost vitamin C absorption. Include eggs or fortified cereal for vitamin B. Also, remember the natural tips that complement these vitamins. Stay hydrated. Dehydration thickens your blood and reduces flow. Exercise daily. Even brisk walking for 20 minutes boosts nitric oxide. Limit smoking and alcohol, which destroy vitamin C and E reserves. Manage stress. Chronic stress constricts your arteries. Now, here's the golden health tip. If you combine these vitamins with natural circulatory boosters like beetroot juice, garlic, and turmeric, you'll multiply their effect. These foods improve nitric oxide levels, which relax blood vessels and enhance vitamin absorption. The truth is, good circulation isn't just about preventing disease, it's about living with energy, focus, and strength. When your blood flows freely, every cell in your body gets the oxygen and nutrition it needs to thrive. So take this as your reminder. Feed your heart what it deserves. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Golden Health Tips for more science-backed natural wellness advice. Turn on the notification bell because our next video will show how to cleanse your arteries naturally using herbal remedies. Before you go, tell us in the comments, which vitamin do you think your body needs most? Stay healthy, stay golden.